Hi, little learners. Welcome to our fun lesson about prepositions. And look who's here to help us. It's our friend Bingo the Ball. He will show us where he is. Let's learn together. Look, Bingo is on the box. Can you see him sitting right on top? When something is on, it means it's sitting above or resting on top of something else, just like Bingo on his box. Great job, Bingo. Uh-oh, now Bingo is in the box. When you're in something, you're inside it, like Bingo in his surprise box. Wow! Now Bingo is above the box. When something is above, it's higher than the object, but not touching it. See? Bingo is above the box, up in the air. Oh, where did Bingo go? He's under the box. When something is under, it's below or underneath. Peekaboo, Bingo, we see you. Oh no, Bingo disappeared again. Wait, there he is, behind the box. When something is behind, it's at the back. Look, Bingo is in front of the big box now. When you're in front of, you're on the front side. Aha! Bingo moved again. Now he's next to the T box. When you're next to something, you're right beside it. Now, Bingo is between the two boxes. When you're between, you're in the middle of two things. Whoa! Bingo rolled away. Now Bingo is far from the box. When something is far from, it's not close. Now Bingo has disappeared again. Wait, there he is, among the boxes. When you're among, you're in the middle of a big group. Great job, friends! Today Bingo helped us learn many prepositions. In, on, under, behind, in front of, next to, between, far from, among. See you next time for more learning and fun with Bingo the Ball. Bye-bye!